Apple. Oh, here's Apple at lows again. Interesting. Hmm. Apple just 10 cents off of lows. TSM just hit lows. Oh, wow. 128. Low day. Apple's pennies off of lows. There's Apple through lows. And this TSM too. I might be looking. Yeah, I'm gonna look. There's a seller in this TSM right now. I'm gonna try to find a way in here if I can. Maybe up near 80s. Just gonna watch the tape. I like this area here. Hmm. I'm gonna try to get 80s there against 20s. Actually, probably against 25 or something. I did not get it. I did not get it up there. I was too slow. Yep, that was the trade. That was the trade. That was beautiful. Had it in the 80s, 90s, down to the 20s. Gorgeous. Wonder if they'll get back up there to the 80s. What did Apple do? I don't think that's ready yet. Nope. It's gonna about to crack through these lows here. Not gonna get that push back up. Here it is on lows. Yep. Seller's still in there though. Seller's still in there. 40s. 60s. Can we get a push back up to the 80s? Apple lows. Can we get that push back up? 50s. 60s. 70s. That's probably as close as I'm going to get it. Got it there, short, 86 cent average. TSM. Let's see what happens here. It's not good. Yeah, that spiked up there. Stopped out on that attempt. This thing's definitely starting to I'm going to try to get some on here at 35, starting to sell off against 50. See if I can get it up there. 35s. Nope. Trying to get some here. Can they pop? Got up to the 20s. Can we pop up to the 30s? Right on lows here. Cannot get filled up here in the 30s. 20s, yes. 30s, no. Let's see if I can get it up here. 28. A penny away. Penny away, got it there, short 35 cents, stops above 57. I want to see this thing below 28 very soon. Because the seller is actively selling here. Let's go below 28. And let's see the seller step in and really start hitting the bids. Smash this bid right here. Below 28, and let's see what's below there. Gonna cover half of it on that dropout right there. That was really nice. Covered half of it down there at 89 cents. Still working. Seller still working. Let's see them do some work. Amazon moving down again. Not going to look at that right now as I'm focusing on this TSM. Here it is back down. Can we run at those 2760s and get lower? Where's my low a day? 2760 low a day. Let's see if we can go down there. ES also heading to lows, so that could help potentially. But need to see if this seller is still willing and able to push. Just watching here. Can this seller get back down and hold below 28? Here's below 28 one more time. Can we really smash these and get down below 80? No, not really. I'm gonna take another one off down here. Down to just 100 now. We need to hold below 28. This offer needs to come down, or otherwise the seller's not here anymore. Like that was the pop, the pullback, if you were. And now, if the seller's still working, let's see them work. I'm not seeing it right now at this moment. So I'm being a little bit cautious. I'd like to see what it looks like. We definitely got to stay below 28. I'm about to cut out of this last lot here. I don't like the fact that we are not getting lower. Here's 28 again. Can we get an offer below 28? Nope. There we go. Can we run for those 60s? We're not making headway. Here we go. 70s. Can this seller move here now? We're 10 cents away from the low of the day here, 60 cents. Apple just cracked there. I'm not going to look at that right now. I'm focusing on this TSM. Tesla is on highs apparently. Again, not focusing on that. I want to see if we can get down below this low of day here. I think this TSM has room to run if we can crack and the seller steps in and starts working. But are they? 10 cents away. Here's lows, 5 cents away. There's lows, and we have new lows on TSM. Excellent. Okay, so let's see what happens. Can we stay down here below 60? Not really. I'm gonna try to cover down here at 80 cents. I don't know if I'll get that. Didn't get 80 cents. Gonna try to get ones, didn't get it. And all the way back up to the, gonna take it here. Got it right there at 87 cents flat TSM. And yeah, pretty good trade, I think. Found a way back into it, and I think I took the main meat out of it. So, gonna head off to work now, probably. Check, check, check. Pretty interesting here in AMD. Just cracked lows, down 3%. Look at the daily as well. worth watching here for what? We might see. Hmm. They're smacking them now. I'm gonna go for 19s against 40. See if I can get it there. Can it pop back up to 19? Got it. Short AMD 19 cents. We're looking for lows here. Let's see if we can get back down. Thought the seller was, I saw the seller here, but doesn't look like they're working anymore. Let's see. Looked like they were working for a second, and now maybe not. Maybe I need to find a way out. We'll see if we can get back down below 50. Can we get back down below 50? We're going to go attack that 50 again. Look at that volume that they did at 50. Hmm. Can we break down through this $50 level on AMD? Is the seller working? Look at the ES too. Interesting. And this big daily on, there's 50 coming. Are they going to attack this? Nope. Would like to see them get through this 50 pretty soon here. If the seller is active and working, they should be hitting these bids. Okay, started going there. Let's see what kind of follow through. I want to see them push lower and knock these bids out. Selling on the offer, moving down. Selling on the offer, moving down. Knocking out bids, that kind of thing. Can we get down? Gonna take 2 off here. Keep 1/3 on, just covering the risk. Let's see if we can go hit lows. Okay, starting to approach lows. About 2 pennies off of lows here. There's new lows on AMD. Seller looks like they're starting to work again. New lows, AMD. may want to add to this short if the seller is still working. There's new lows, AMD, still, seller still going, still pushing, still stepping down, still taking out bids. New lows, AMD, 40s, still going, still going. Might try to add back on what I took off. Where did I take it off? 94s. Might try to add that back. This might be a bigger picture sell-off. So look at the ES here, look at AMD here. New lows, AMD, down to the 30s. Seller still in here working. Think I'm gonna add up here about 10 cents higher if I can get it. I'm gonna try to add here for another one up in the up at 71. I'll try to add it on to double. Almost got it. If I don't get it, that's just a testament to how strong that seller is keeping a lid on it. And that one I'm not going to give a lot of room. That one, if I get it at 71, I'm giving it like 20 cents. Yeah, I couldn't even get above the 60s, could it? 10 cents off of lows, AMD. Almost got 71, got it there. So got 71 cents on that. If it gets above 84, I'm gonna take that off. It might stop me out here on that lot. Took me out on that one. And popped quite a bit. Interesting. Still in that original lot though. That one's gonna be 19 cents. 15 cents. Might get out of that one right here. Get knocked out of that one. We're a long way from those 30s, but let's see what we get. Back down to the, yeah. I think I got wicked out of that ad. What did that get up to? 10 cents. And now we're heading back down to lows. Let's see what we get. Yes, at lows still. Not much to do here. This thing could continue to come in. In hindsight, that 50 would have been a better ad, wouldn't it? I think I had the right idea to add on the pop. I just got a little aggressive with it, so I'll have to review that tonight. Did not crack lows on that attempt. Okay, I may scalp this out into the 60s here. We're not making forward progress lower right now. And we held up that 60 last time we were down there. We didn't get back below 50. So where's the seller, basically? Are they still in here? Are they still working? Maybe not. Let's see if we can go run at those 60s and get down below 50 again. There goes the market. I'm not seeing the sell in here right now. Like, market's at lows. I'm not seeing seller hit the bid right here. These bids are not going away. Can we get below the 60-cent bid? Move my stop down to 90. It needs to either go or not go. I'm not gonna carry it all the way back up. Get below this 60 or else head back up over. But if the seller's in here and they have more to go, then it shouldn't really be a question. Doesn't look like it. Or else they're not pushing on the gas right now. Can we get below 60? Are you gonna push? Nope. Let me set a new low a day. 149.39 low a day, and then 149 low a day. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. Not seeing anybody push down here. There goes the market, but can we get below the 60? ES just made new lows, but can we get below the 60? I don't see it. I don't see it. I'm gonna take this off here at 67. I did not get it. Let's see. Can I get it? No. I'm gonna try here. Okay, I am flat AMD here. Let me set a marker. I may re-enter if I see them push again, but I'm not seeing the pushing here. ES just tick lows. We did not get lower. So either seller not working or whatever, but okay. That's it for now. Go back to work.